2000 Chevy Corvette. And I figured out how to fix this window because it's not working. Could be the switch, could be the motor. We'll see. Alright? So stay tuned. Thank you for support. Love your polls. Let's get it. Alright, 19,000 miles. Anyways, you see this over here? We're gonna pop this. We're gonna pop this one too. Like so. Oh, used to be two of them. One is, oh, there it is. Two there. And one behind here. Take back what I said. It's probably like this. Okay. Now lift this thing over here. Alright. Just leave it exposed like this. Alright, once you remove this too, pry it. It's gonna be hard, but it's gonna come off fine. And just lift it. Okay. I don't have to start the car, but I just turn it on. And hear that click? It just sounds click. Right here, the motor is over here. To get to the motor, peel this off. I'm just gonna disconnect this guy, press it here, pull it out. Right, I'll show you in a minute the new the whole thing, alright? So we're gonna remove the window first. This one doesn't have a frame, right? Otherwise I will use duct tape to keep it up there. So what we're gonna do is remove the window. See over there? There's one over here. One over here. Alright. 13, 15, something like that. Then we'll remove the window. Then we can remove the chassis, whatever you want to call it. One here, one here. The same over here. Window regulator with motor. All right. Are you gonna come on here? You see this guy? Just gonna remove it though. Okay. Alright. That's the bottom of the door. Okay. Right here. We did 1, 2, 3, 4 here at the bottom. I'm gonna take this 3 now. 10 millimeter. All of them 10 millimeter. This thing, you're gonna have to come over here. Disconnect the motor. You can do it with one hand. That's fine. Then come off now. You put everything together. Inside. Connect the motor. Turn the ignition to the on position. Now test it. It works, right? Good. Same way you remove the the window. Oh, the window. You want to put the window? Put this up all the way until it aligns with the hole. Like the same way you remove the window, the same way you put it back, alright? Pretty much. So when you mount the window, just look for the guides, the marks of the window. Those things that are pressed against the window gonna leave some marks behind. So use those as a reference. Then don't tight it, you know. Play with the switch. Lower the window. Put it up so it aligns, you know, and then tight it. Put everything together, you know what I'm saying? And that's it. Alright. Hope you have fun. You know what time it is. It's me and Stu Burun. Catch you in the next one. Yeah.